Now we'll talk about what are the unique benefits of Bioguard products. As I mentioned earlier, that we work on 3 pillars: efficacy, safety, and ease of use. Talk about efficacy. In terms of efficacy, we are the only one in India, if you see, that company which has cleared more than 1,000 tests as per EN norms. And I'm talking about latest EN norms, not the usual older one or EPA norms. Latest EN norms against thousands of pathogens, which include mycobacteria, spores, COVID virus, coronavirus, and escape pathogen, that one of the most deadliest and the most resistant pathogen group in any healthcare sector. Talk about test safety. We are safe as per meteorological test report. We are safe to be used on any kind of surface because our pH is 7, which is neutral, so it does not corrode any kind of material. We are quite powerful, require in a very lesser dilution. If you see our product line, we for example, Bioguard concentrate that requires only 4 ml per liter. It makes it highly economic as well. Though the products are manufactured in UK, we are giving at an Indian price and we are making it highly economic so that it will be easy for our clients to adopt it. We are fast, as I mentioned earlier, that we require only 30 seconds to be effective against any of our competition. Sporicidal activity or tuberculosis activity within 30 seconds, it's something which, trust me, all the clients are looking forward to adopt. They don't have that much time to leave the surface wet for like 10 or 15 minutes or 30 minutes. I believe you also don't have that kind of time. We are long lasting. If you clean the surface will remain clean and disinfected. You talk about reliability, ease of use. If you see, we are providing this kind of pumps which can help you to reduce your consumption, can reduce the error of dilution. That way you are getting ease of use. You talk about another product, that is Bioguard Absorb Powder. Now it gives you ease of use when you are doing spill management. We have a unique product range which can help your life easier, not only by reducing the dilution but by a unique proposition which helps not only to reduce the cost but also to make your life easier. Also, if you see, our products can be used on multi-surfaces. Means from wooden to any kind of stone to synthetic floor or upholstery. Anywhere it can be used without damaging the surface. It can be used on various medical devices. We have the reports from the OEM manufacturers also to support that.